Hi beautiful ones out there, hope you all are doing great, and hope you all are so excited for the new year coming up and for the new resolutions. So I'm so excited for this new year, and I am so excited that this year should be good for everyone out there. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe to my channel and encourage me in making more videos. And if you like my video, please like it and share it across your friends. And also please leave me a comment on how you feel the video is. So today I am actually here with a huge collection of body butters. What I have, I just love body butters and body lotions, and especially because this is winter, I thought I will actually share with you all people what I have in my collection. I have different ranges of body butters and body lotions, starting with reasonable price we get in local stores, and also with going into high-end body butters like Body Shop and Forest Essential. But I actually have a mix of collection. So let me just start with you, because I have this load, complete basket of body butters. I actually sorted yesterday. I cleaned everything in my room. And then I made sure that I have all the body butters in one basket so I can share it easily to you people. So starting from the favorite body butter I have, I just love Body Shop body butters. They are top notch, and I have never seen any body butters like Body Shop, and I have been using since ages now. I just love them. I think everyone out there who have been using and who are using accept with me, because they are super body butters. I actually like all the other body butters, but I love these body butters. So the first one I love in their body butter collection recently is this Kukui cream. I just loved it so much for the fragrance, for the texture it has, for the moisturizing it gives on my skin, and the way it makes me feel myself is so nice. So this is the first body butter I have. This is a Hawaiian Kukui cream, and love the packaging as well. And it's very expensive, but you also get the huge tub of this body butter. I just love the smell. Oh my god, I just love it to the core. You should actually try this, seriously. So the texture is also so nice, and it goes on very well. You don't have to struggle in applying this, and it makes my skin so nice, so smooth, and I smell very good throughout the day. Normal body butters I applied, they make me feel good, but after a few hours it just vanishes. It moisturizes, but the smell doesn't stay on my body. But these Body Shop body butters stay on my body for a long time. I just love them. So that's my first body butter in my collection. And the next body butter I am in love recently, in winter especially, is this Kama Ayurveda Kokum and Almond body butter. If you have seen my videos of winter care, you would have seen this. I actually use this only in winters, and I just loved it because of the smell of almond and kokum it has. Oh my god, it's so nice. The texture is the best body butter I can suggest for everyone who have dry skin, especially over legs and hands. Is from Forest Essential. Obviously I love the packaging. This is luxurious product, so I love the way it smells. It smells of Nergis. They also have many body butters in different fragrances, but I love Nergis fragrance. I love floral scents. I'm to core of the floral scents, and this is one of my best collections ever in the fragrance. Coming to the fragrance, I love the way it smells. Fragrance type, this is 5 out of 5, and moisturizing is also good. It stays nice. It keeps my skin moisture very well, but not as much as the body butter of the Kukui cream or the almond butter it does. But this is a decent body butter. It is also very nice, and I love the way it is. I also love the packaging, so I didn't throw this cardboard out. I love to store it in this. And the next favorite body butter I have is the Vaseline. This is really nice. This is Vaseline Healthy White Complete 10. It actually has lightening and anti-aging properties in it. It lightens your body type. So this is nice. It actually is very nice. This is very affordable. You also have in tiny packages. It smells nice. It's very nice. It looks, it's very good. You have 10-in-1 skin benefits. It actually makes the skin firm and tight. It visibly reduces the aging of your skin, and this is nice for the price it is. And for the bottle you get this 300 ml product. All the other ones I guess it was 200 ml except the Kukui cream. and this is nice for what it does. I love to apply it all over my body, so that is one of my favorite. And the next body butter I have is from the Body Shop. They have this Wild Argan. This smells nice as well. I love argan oil. Argan oil is very good for your skin, hair, for everything. So this is a 24 hours moisturizing. This is for actually dry skin. When you have, for people who are very dry skin out there, you can definitely try this product. This is very thick. The butter I have is also from Body Shop. This is a British Rose collection. I just love the way it is. It's so nice. It has a rose on top of it. And let me open this. It smells so nice. It smells like 1,000 roses out there. Specially picked up from the British, roses. So it's very nice. It's actually for normal to dry skin. It actually gives you good moisture as a normal body butter does from Body Shop. The next body butter I have is Vitamin E. This, I don't like the smell of this, but I like the way it works because it has vitamin E in it and it is really nice. It's a very good body butter as well. And also one of the body butters I have been loving recently is this from the Innisfree, because it's so nice. This is so nice. I just love the packaging, the color it is lavender, and the smell it is so, I don't know, this is different texture. I've never tried it, but it is so nice. I just love the fragrance. It smells so nice. And I have the next body butter from the same Forest Essential range. This is a Velvet Silk Body Cream. This is Madurai Jasmine and Mogra. Tie for the packaging. I think for packaging, when it comes to packaging, I give top rating for Forest Essential. When it comes to moisturizing, I give for Body Shop. And when it comes to winter specific ranges, it's good for Kama Ayurveda, because I think that's the only body butter they have. Oh my god, it smells jasmine. For people out there who love jasmine, you have to try this. So I did not use it much. I just used it very little. I thought this is very good for even summers, I believe, because it's not thick. It's actually semi-thick. It's between lotion and the butter. So it's very nice. I can also use it in summers. Very nice. It smells nice. But I prefer using these because they are very thick in consistency, and for winters they are very good. These all body butters I can use it in summer as well, so I preserve it for summer. So that's the second one from the Forest Essential. These are the only two body butters I have from Forest Essential. And the next one I have is from Body Shop. This is a body lotion, and this is from the range Gardenia. I love Gardenia. I have been using this when I was in US, gifted from one of my friend. I was missing this fragrance in India, but after a couple of years I just found it and I thought I should grab it immediately when the Body Shop launched it. This is a body lotion. It's not a body butter, so people who doesn't have dry skin, who have oily skin, they can prefer this body lotion. So this is nice. This smells nice. The next body lotion I have is from the Body Shop. I just love the way it smells. The Fuji green tea, it makes me feel active. It makes my senses more active when I use Fuji green tea range, even if it is body wash or the body butter or the body lotion. I just love the way it is. They make me feel active, very active when I smell this. So this is very nice. Also, I think citrus fragrances makes you feel awakened. So this is one of those kinds. I just loved it. The packaging is also very decent. The lotion is also nice. You can see I've been using quite some time now. And the next one I have is also is from Vaseline. This is a total moisturizing. This has pure soya, and this is a multi-layer moisturizing. So I just loved it, the fact, because it has soya in it. And this is really nice for 24 hours moisturizing. This is very good for the pricing as well as the moisture it gives on your skin. This is a body lotion. And the next body butter I have is from Oriflame. This is a multi-purpose cream. You can use it multi-purpose way. You can use it on body, face as well, but I mostly use it for face when I want to give a massage before I take my bath or scrub. And also sometimes I try to apply it all over my body. This Fab India, this is a rose and almond body butter. This is also nice. It smells very nice. I smell of rose. I don't smell of almonds. I smell of rose petals in it. The color is also very nice. I was attracted to the way it is colored and the way it smells. So this is the Fab India body butter. And the next one I have is from the Body Shop. This is a White Musk Smooth Satin Body Lotion. I just love it. I have actually completed half of this bottle. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but I have used it till here. I only have this much left. This is very nice. All my family loves it because this is white musk fragrance. Musky, not too strong. This is very mild. I also bought a body wash of the same range after using this one. I just love this. And this is so milky in texture. It is very good for oily skin as well. My sister has oily skin. She uses it as well as a moisturizer for her body, and this is really nice. Even if people out there who have oily skin, they don't like body butters because it makes too oily on their skin, try this. This is very nice. This doesn't at all make you feel oily. It is very good. You just have to apply a little bit and then it just goes on very smooth. Let me show the texture of this. So this is how the body lotion is, and it's very nice. You just have to rub it off, and that's it, Ola. It's so nice. It smells nice and it goes off very easily on your skin, and you don't at all feel oily at all, or like the body butter you have been applying. It's so nice, so nice. And the last body lotion I have is actually from Wild Earth. I wanted to try this sample. I think this is a body butter they have. Yes, this is the almond and saffron body lotion what they have. This is the one this does a pretty job. This is a small one which I got in this box. It's a 30 ml one. I used a little bit. It actually has little watery oily consistency with the lotion, but this is Ayurvedic, so that's nice. I also like this. And that's it what I have for the body butters, and I have few for my hand creams I've been liking. So the first one is Body Shop British Rose hand cream I have in this bag, and the other one is Innisfree Jade to Camilla hand cream. I love hand cream, so these are the two ones. And this is all I have. Another hand cream, I'm not sure, I've put in some other vanity box. So these are the two currently I've been using for winter, and that's all what I have in my body butter and body lotion collection. I hope you liked it, and if you also have any body butter or body lotion from my collection, please let me know. Or if you have been using a different body butter or body lotion especially during winters, or if you have any favorites, let me know so I can also try it and add it in my collection. So that's all, beautiful ones. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. It's free for you, but it means a lot to me, and it encourages me in making more videos. So thank you so much and have a great day.